Over the next few days, we're going to zoom into each part of your home, breaking down how inflation has impacted each particular section of the house and laying out the potential stocks to play. Today, we look at some furnishings companies like RH, which used to be called Restoration Hardware, Williams-Sonoma, Wayfair. According to the CPI, it reports that prices for bedroom and living room furniture are down 3% and 6% respectively compared with last year. Some disinflation or deflation there for a change. Anthony Chukumba is managing director and senior analyst at Loop Capital Markets. Anthony, I assume that this decline in prices is that housing turnover has slowed.
That is certainly a big part of it. I mean, housing turnover has been quite weak. We got a bit of a head fake at the beginning of this year. We thought that numbers were going to get significantly better. That has not happened. The other thing that I think is reflecting those numbers is I think that the home furnishings retailers got a little too, I guess probably the right word is greedy during the pandemic when, they just couldn't keep items on the shelves. And they, they probably raised prices a little bit too high. And now they're having to kind of roll those back as well, because demand has weakened so much.
I'm curious because it's come up in the context of the campaign, this idea of price gouging. And I'm frankly suspicious that many companies literally engaged in price gouging. But during the pandemic, you had two things happening at once. You had supply chain issues that were constricting the supply of goods on the one hand, and you had money flowing into the economy in the form of stimulus packages and lower interest rates. So more dollars chasing a restricted number of goods or a constricted number of goods is an obvious recipe for inflation. And I guess companies just took advantage of that cover after years where they had no pricing power whatsoever, really.
I think you're 100% right. And my, freshman year economics professor would be very proud of what you just said. I mean, supply and demand, basically dictates price. And so when supply is constrained, as it was, and demand is elevated, as it was, prices are going to go up. And I'm not sure, I agree with you, I'm not sure if that's necessarily gouging.
That did come straight from Ken Elzinga at the University of Virginia.
Anthony, I'm just envisioning Elizabeth Warren going after RH because she said they raised furniture prices, 43% instead of 20%. I mean, when we're talking about something that's not a grocery item, how do we know what the right price is? I think they're still in the process of finding out. And the answer can sometimes be that it depends.
I think that's 100% right. And, you talked about specifically about RH. I mean, RH, it's hard to gauge what the right price is because they don't really sell like commodity products that you can find at other retailers. So to some extent, the right price is what someone's willing to pay for it. And RH specifically has talked about the fact that they probably took too much price, and they are in the process of bringing prices down because, once again, supply and demand, has kind of gone the other way. There's plenty of supply now, demand not so much.